Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a video, not super different, but a little different for me anyway, and I'm going to be talking about and walking you through the steps that I take when I want to have an at-home spa day. I think it's really fun to go to the spa, but it's very expensive, and I have a good chunk of the things that I can kind of recreate a similar, if not quite as relaxing, because it's always more relaxing when someone is, you know, giving you a facial or pedicure or whatever than when you do it. However, there are things at home that will give you a similar spa experience and cost a fraction of the price. If you guys want to see what I do when I want to have sort of an at-home spa day, then just keep watching. First of all, I do have a few tools that you use or typically have used at the spa. If you don't have these, that's totally fine. I have a foot spa. Mine was like $25 at Bed Bath & Beyond years ago. You can use a 20% off coupon. I actually would like a deeper one, but if you don't have any sort of electric foot massage tub thing, you can just use a tote with Epsom salts or a bath fizzy, and it's kind of the same thing. I also have a paraffin wax dip thing for your hands and your feet. I love that so much. I bought that at Ulta a few years ago. I don't know if they still carry it. It was an online only purchase, but I do know that Bed Bath & Beyond also sells those. Again, use a 20% off coupon. There are a few steps that I like to take for at-home spa days. I usually do it with my friend, or sometimes my mom will come over and we'll just have like a spa day, and my daughter. I kind of like to multitask the spa steps so it doesn't take hours, but it's still a relaxing experience. So I like to get started with a face mask. This is one of my favorites, the Pure Cosmetics Dirty Girl Mud Mask. It is a tightening mud mask, but it feels so nice when you're using it. Your skin just feels brand new and clean and fresh. It's a really reviving mask, I feel. I usually apply the mud mask before I start soaking my feet in the foot spa. Sort of multitask that, because the pure mask you leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes, I believe, maybe 20. After I wash the mask off, I apply the Skyn Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. This is just a cooling lotion, and the pure mask gives a mud mask, so I always like to put a little bit of cooling lotion on afterwards, and it just makes my skin feel cool and calm, and this is really nice. After the cooling lotion has absorbed into my skin, I go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this. This is the rose water one. It smells so good and just feels refreshing. Then I go in with the Derma Nourishing Cranberry and Rosehip oil. This feels so silky soft on your skin. It doesn't feel greasy or oily. It absorbs into the skin very nicely, and this is one that I kind of forget about using, but I always enjoy it whenever I do use it, and you don't need to use a lot. So that's why it looks like I've barely used it. You don't need to use a lot. Lastly, I use the Pur-Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. This was very nice. I don't think I've actually used this before, but I wanted to put on an eye cream for this spa day experience, and this is something that I really need to start incorporating into my daily skincare routine, because this felt super hydrating and also lightweight under my eyes. It didn't feel heavy or like greasy. I really enjoyed this product. And then I will kind of douse my feet in lotion. I put some squishy cozy socks on and let them just marinate in lotion. And if I am giving myself a pedicure, then I will paint my nails at that point. If not, I'll just continue to marinate in lotion. If I'm doing a manicure, I will do that at that point. I paint my nails very regularly, so I don't always do this. This is usually the step that I skip, but it's nice to do. If I am not wearing nail polish, I will use the paraffin wax treatment. This is my friend's hand, obviously not mine, but we will use that and let that sit on your hands. It's so cool and so weird to like peel off. I love the paraffin wax. It's really cool. This tub is really nice for at-home use. I think it's totally fine. My only complaint with it is that I have, you know, size 8.5 feet, which isn't huge, but it's not, I feel like it's a very average size, because there's never 8.5 shoes left when I'm trying to buy shoes. This tub isn't quite big enough for me to stick my feet in and without curling my toes. I don't know if there are larger paraffin tubs available, but it's not that big of a deal, and I use it infrequently enough that it's not worth purchasing a new one. Another thing that I like to do is have like kind of relaxing spa snacks. If I have cucumber, I'll make some cucumber water or lemon water, or just little like tea sandwiches and little finger foods. I really like everything to have a theme. That really excites me. Also use the Amazon Music app or Spotify or whatever one you prefer, but I usually use Amazon Music, and there is a spa playlist, and it just plays really relaxing, gentle, calming music. And if for some reason I'm really feeling it, I'll just throw on an Enya playlist because I kind of love Enya. So just have that gently playing in the background. I'd love to have an at-home spa day once a month, but we sort of tend to do them once about every 3 or 4 months. It's still really nice and really relaxing. It's nice to get together with a friend or 2 or 3 or however many you want to get together with and have some relaxing spa time. Obviously you can use whatever products you would like. These are the products that I usually use the most for spa days, and it's just nice to have an excuse to kind of do this stuff, because even though I have the foot spa and the paraffin tub, I never use them ever unless I'm doing a spa day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do an at-home pampering spa time, what do you do? Tell me, I want to know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!